Oh, today, getting up there in age, and you know, it's been a while. I've been working on a bunch of projects down here in what was the garage. It's really no longer a garage because it has bedrooms in it now. But one cool thing, I left here and saved it, kind of for kids and me as I'm getting older. But I'm hoping it keeps me in shape and I get to play and still have a good time. So finally, after a whole bunch of months of doing all this other nonsense and being busy with everything else, I got this cleaned out. What is it? Probably the coolest thing you'll ever see in a house. This is an indoor skateboard bowl right here. All made of wood. I'll put up a link here and you can check out how I made it. This thing is 16 by 20 feet and 4 feet high, and it's pretty darn cool. Now, like I said, so I'm hoping that, you know, as I'm creeping up there in age, I'm 42 now. I was 38 when I built this bowl, so I've had it a couple years. I've ridden it a bunch, and like I said, it's been storing a bunch of stuff for a little while as I've been working. I'll put up a picture right here. It's kind of crazy with all the insulation and just whatever in here. So I have it cleaned out, and for a special reason. What's the special reason? Well, my son has never even seen this bowl before, because he's only 1 now, and I can't wait to see what it's like when he sees this and runs around in it and checks this out and even just listens to it. You stand in the middle of this bowl, it sounds like a speaker. It's kind of neat the way sound refracts around everything. So, hey honey, without further ado here, here's the little guy. Let's see what he thinks of this thing. What do you think of this thing, bud? Babe, move him over so he can see what he's looking at. Stand him up on the end. What's this thing? There you go. What do you think of this? Boy, it looks so far up there. Kind of gives you a little bit of scale. This little tiny guy way up there. You want to come in here and check this out? All right, this is going to be a little tricky. Hang on to me. Gotcha. What do you think of this? Hey, what are you doing way over there? Oh, here's Mom coming into the bowl. Yeah. Mom has not had the best of luck with this bowl before. Check out this video, and she's probably gonna get stuck in here again. But yeah, when we first started dating, she came in here and oh, it was hysterical. Yeah, she was in socks. She couldn't get out. What do you think, little guy?
Wow.
What do you think about the sound in here? Ooh. How do I get out of this? Boof. Whoa. I don't think you've ever had curved floors before, have you? What do you think of this? Yeah, my daughter and I always had a great time playing with balls in here as well, because you could really get them going. Right? Fascinating. You want to do it? Oh, I can only imagine what he's going to think of this. Especially when I drop in. I don't think he's ever even seen a skateboard riding before. Here, Mom.
Wow, he's all smiling.
Isn't that cool? What do you think of that? Fun stuff, right?
Hold on. Hold on. B. I know you're recording, sorry. It was the perfect picture.
Give it a kick. Bunk. Pretty tough there. There you go. Get the hang of that balance. You're gonna need it, little guy.
Oh my gosh, so cute. Was that fun?
Is it tough? Is it tough? What do you think? Go run around. Go run around. How fast can you go? Want to see? Like this. You gonna try it? Oh, right to the ball, huh? Kick it! Go kick it! Give it a good kick. Yeah, we have an old crib blocking the window. It helps from skateboards. A couple other old cribs up there to hold skateboards and keep them from flying around the rest of the garage. Looks so small in there, dude.
Yeah, he really does. It's so cute.
I can't imagine what his little brain is thinking. How's Dad do that? Yeah. He is it funny. Poop. Uh-oh. Whew, just missed you. Very difficult to make a bowl out of wood, that's for sure. Every curve has to flow. You don't want the jagged edge around it.
Oh!
Good job, Mom.
Sorry, buddy.
Kick it, bud, kick it. Whoa. All right. Here, why don't you take this, Mom, and see what you're filming there. Leave that there for now, and I will grab. What do you think of this thing, little dude? You know what this is? What do you think of that? You want us? Let's go. Let's put you like this. Right like that, right? Yeah, oh, yeah. Stand up. You fell off. What do you think of this thing? Is that a little slippery? What kind of noises are those? Those aren't skateboard noises. Make sure this doesn't ever hit you, it's gonna hurt. I'm gonna try something cool. Let's stand on the board. Whee!
Woo! Buddy, look at you!
How was that?
Good job!
What did you think of that? I think it's extremely tiring and tough, to say the least. That was some really cool area you did where you shot the board up, jumped in the air, and like hovered for a minute and caught it on the way back through. Not many people do that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you want to try it again? You want to face Mom this time so she can see what you look like? Yeah, come here, Mom.
Let me see.
Right?
Let me see, bud.
If I hold you like this.
Good job, Brian! Woo! Excellent!
Good? Oh, you want to push it, huh? Go ahead. Push it hard. Push it really hard. Pretty neat, huh? Yeah, there you go. And it keeps going. Like a train coming by. Like it's like it's gonna hit you right next to you. Mm-hmm. Is that cool? You want to try riding it again? What if I ride it? Would that help you? Is that cool? You want to try it again? Put your feet on it. Okay, what if we try... Oh, you hear that sound right there? Hear the echo? All right, let's try this. Boop. Now keep your feet on the board. I'm gonna sit right in front of you. How about that? So you can't let go of your hands. Keep on the board. Come here. Sit on it. Just like that. Give me your hands so you can't run them over. Okay. How's that? Is that really neat? As you roll, and then we'll go up the hill. Come back down. And we'll go up this way. And come back down. Is that neat? Yeah? You're doing good. You got it. I'm right here. Relax. Stay on. You'll get hurt if you come off. Oh, look at that smile! Hey, you gotta stay on the board or you're gonna get hurt. What do you think? Well, that's fun right there. That's called dadding. I'm pretty sure every dad out there that skateboards wants to do this one day with their kid. Right, kiddo? That's what it's all about. Plant that little seed. Let's see what happens next. You gonna try it yourself again? Yeah. Let's see what it can do. Give it a push. Don't let it hit you, because it'll hurt you if it hits you. How neat is that? Mom's turn.
Okay.
What do you think, bud? Oh, you're gonna have to get into that one, huh? Oh, that's neat. First time in a skateboard bowl. I can only imagine what can happen when you teach a kid at this age or give them this opportunity. What are they gonna do? Just the physics alone. Well, time to do dumb stuff with the bowl, right, babe?
Yeah.
Now that I have a little buddy to do it
I
with.
don't like film, and you show off what
Oh, yeah?
skills you got. Are you too old, old man?
I think I should probably ride it a few times before I actually start filming what I look like nowadays. Since, you know, it's been a little while since I've been on this thing. You gonna try to climb it? Hard to show the angle. It's perfect. Come on! See where you can go. How high can you climb? I mean, he's only one. He just learned how to walk a month ago.
Yeah.
I don't think he's ever walked on... Maybe outside he's walked on crooked floors, but... Crooked...
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Is that tough? Oh, come on. You can't cry in here. It'll echo way too loud. You're like stuck in the mud. The best thing I can think to do is just run around. Just go run around and around.
Buddy, you're such a big boy.
You want to say hi to everybody? Yeah? We gotta go learn how to skateboard? Work on that? Yeah, I think so. You're an awesome little guy. Oh, you waving? What a guy. He's waving at you. Bye, everybody. Make sure you like and subscribe. And follow along with this nonsense. Oh, no. Uh-oh, we lost one. It is chaos. You gonna throw your ball? Throw your ball. Uh-oh, there goes another one. Lost two. He seems to like when they go back there. Just one more thing you can do with the bowl. Have a great time. Okay. Well, Mom made her way into the bowl now. Now
Not out.
Yeah. And Mama's, let's see if she can do this and get out of here again. That'll be entertaining. Can't say too many pregnant ladies go in skateboard bowls these days. Right, bud? It's actually kind of the perfect thing to put a child in. They can't go anywhere. Self-contained. Just throw them a couple balls and, you know, candy bar or something. It'll be fine.
Candy bar.
But you can't have any water, because if you get anything on the masonite, you'll ruin the ramp. It's the only rule.
Can I get you?
Bonk.